Kings of Crunch Series 1 1971 Chevrolet K10 Gulf Oil Super Special. The other trucks in this series is the 1970 Chevrolet K10 USA number 1, 1972 Chevrolet K10, 1974 Ford F-250 Bigfoot number 1, 1975 Ford F-250, well, that's King Kong, who we're going to unbox, and 1971 Chevrolet K10 Gulf Oil Super Special, then the 1979 Ford F-250. For more information, go on to greenlightcollectibles.com. Here comes the Gulf Oil Super Special on top of the cars. Look at that front of the Chevrolet. Let's turn it around here. Here we go. A nice gold for the Super Special, the name of the truck. And then we also have the Gulf symbol on the side of the truck. And then we got it into a gold in the front here, front panel of the truck. And then it goes onto the hood of the truck also. So let's go ahead and you can see it right there, and then another Gulf symbol on the hood of the truck. You also get to see some of the windshield wipers. And on top too, we have some of those lights on top of the truck. Turning it to the opposite side so you can see it. Gulf Oil Super Special is based out of California. And on the tailgate, it just says Gulf. We also get those nice looking roll bars in the back of the truck, of course, and then there are some lights on top. So this ends the unboxing of the Gulf Oil Super Special. Thank you for tuning in.